In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to overlay and merge images in Adobe Photoshop. We'll begin by launching Photoshop and getting your base image ready. Head up to the File menu, choose Open, and select the photo you want as your background. This will be the foundation that everything else sits on, so pick the image you want to see most prominently. Next, bring in the second image you want to overlay. You can go to File and Open again to load it into Photoshop, or simply drag and drop the file into the app. Either way works. With both images open, select the Move tool by pressing V. Click on the overlay image and drag it onto the tab of your base image at the top of the workspace. Hold for a moment until the base image becomes active, then move your cursor into the canvas and release. The overlay will now sit on its own layer above the background. Let's size and position it. Press Ctrl+T on Windows or CMD+T on Mac to activate free transform. Use the corner handles to resize proportionally and drag inside the bounding box to position it exactly where you want. Zoom in if you need precision and use the arrow keys to nudge. When it looks right, press Enter or Return to apply the transformation. Now blend the two images. Open the Layers panel if it isn't visible. Select the overlay layer and adjust the opacity slider. Lowering opacity softens the overlay, letting more of the base image show through. Start somewhere in the middle and fine-tune until it feels natural. For more creative control, try blending modes. With the overlay layer selected, open the drop-down that defaults to normal. Multiply darkens and is great for shadows. Screen lightens and works for bright overlays. And overlay or soft light increase contrast for a punchy, stylized blend. Pair these with opacity for subtle results. If you want to refine edges or hide parts of the overlay, add a layer mask. Click the Add Layer Mask icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. Select the Brush tool with B. Paint with black on the mask to hide areas of the overlay and with white to reveal them. A soft brush and lower opacity create smooth transitions, and tapping X switches between black and white quickly. Once you're happy with how everything looks, select the layers you want to combine, right-click, and choose Merge Layers, or use Ctrl+E on Windows or CMD+E on Mac. This finalizes your composite into a single layer. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.